Okay. So, I am giving you a recapitulation for the record. Suppose we wish to estimate the impact of some treatment on a given outcome over time. So we want to check the impact of tutoring on students' marks or score. So simply we will calculate the difference in averages between the two groups. So first we have to make two groups. One is student taking tuition and another group is students not taking tuition.
Institution.
So student taking tuition, which is my question. So that group is called treatment group and its opposite group is who are not taking tuition are control. Okay.
Okay.
Now, number 3, DID will identify. Now, what is the role of DID? What will DID will do here? The DID will identify the treatment effect as the difference in changes over time across group. Now, it will now our DD is difference. Okay. Now, what we will find the average means y bar mean there are two groups. Actually, there are two groups. One group is A,
Vision.
another group is B. Okay.
Oh,
This
okay.
group is called A group. This group is
And B
called B
group.
group. And there are two period. Why I'm taking this term time? Because we have 2 years, year 1 and year 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to see the difference between group B second year, like it's this is second year, and
Okay.
minus y bar A2 means period are same, group is different. It's average difference minus y bar B1 minus y bar A1 means period difference. These are the period difference. It's 2, it's 1. So it's period different, year different. So it is the difference of time. It belongs to year 2, period 2, and it belongs to period 1. And also the difference between both the groups. Can you
Okay.
understand my point?
Yes.
So this thing, difference after treatment, right? What is the difference? This is the difference of treatment, and it is the
Different.
difference before treatment. Because in the first year there is no treatment. It is okay. Now again we have to find difference coefficient. We have to find difference coefficient. What is difference coefficient? First, it is also known as average treatment effect. And difference coefficient is written as DD equal to y bar B2 minus y bar B1. Okay, here the difference between two period and same group, like difference between
Oh.
the A,
Mm.
difference between B in 2 years. Okay, in second year, first year difference of B group only, control group only. Okay,
Okay.
y bar
Into
A comma minus y bar A comma 2 and 1.
2.
Okay,
Okay.
now this is the treatment impact on treated, because now year 1, like we have treated this group in year 2. So now it is the difference because of treatment. There is difference between first period and second period. But why there is difference between first period and second period? Because in the second period it has been treated.
Mm.
Can you understand my point?
The second period is after treatment, right?
Huh. In control group, there are two results you have. First, in year 1 you have not treated it, and in year 2 you have treated it.
Mm.
So the change because of treatment,
Oh, yeah.
treatment impact, it is the treatment impact.
Yes.
Okay,
Also, the other one, A is same.
sorry.
So the A group is same, right? Treatment
Huh,
impact on treated.
huh. So it is treatment impact
On
on
treated.
control group. It is control group. Make it B, it's A. Okay, so it is control group. Okay,
Hmm?
I
Why?
have changed it. It is A, it is B. Okay, so treatment impact on control group, right?
Oh, right.
Now, can I change the page?
Yes.
Okay, so we have always 2 by 2 outcome table. Okay,
To outcome table.
control group is called A and treated group is called
B.
B. We have two results, pre-treatment and post-treatment. Okay,
What is meant by pre and post?
pre means before treatment and post
Oh,
means after treatment.
after.
Pre means
Okay.
before and post means after. Okay,
Okay.
now what does it call? It is for period 1 and it is for period 2. It is the first year and it is the second year.
Okay.
It is year. Okay,
Year 1.
so in first year it is written as like this, A group for first
A
year.
group and first years. Okay.
And this is for B group first year.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, A group 2 years.
And it is Y B1.
1. YB2.
Understood?
Yes.
Now we have done two times DD. First difference is between these two and these two. The difference of this
Yes.
and this, right?
Yes.
So we will find the difference between these two. Means in this way and this way. Okay.
Okay.
So B2
2
minus
minus YA2
huh, here
minus YB1 y bar b1 and ya1.
Okay. And second time, the difference between these two and these two.
These two.
So this time, y bar
Y bar b2 minus yb1 minus ya2 minus ya1. Mean
causal means cause and effect relationship. If you will do this, that will happen. This type of relationship is called causal relationship. Okay.
yes.
So we have to find so one, treatment versus control, and another is before
And after.
versus after. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm giving you a data example so that you can understood how you will apply this in your model. So imagine we want
Yes.
to know how textbooks affects students' test scores. A non-profit organization, a non-profit organization is implementing a program in which they are providing textbooks to students in 100 schools to identify the impact of textbook. Have you understood this paragraph?
Yes.
Now
And go.
use DID here. Now, how we will use DID here?
You can separate to two group.
100, okay, 100 students did not get the textbook. Okay,
Okay.
so 100 student got the textbook, and 100 student did not got the book. Okay,
Okay.
now we have to compare when, like, we have collected survey of 200 schools. We have total 200 schools.
200.
Okay,
Okay.
including 100 has textbook.
100 did not have.
100 has no textbook. This is the position now. Now we can collect a survey on all 200 students before the textbook are provided. Then a survey where, like in year 1, what happened. This is the picture of year 2, right? In the treatment year. But what happened in year 1? All students have no textbook. Means in year 1, when there is no program, then what was the position? Both has no books, right?
Yeah. There's no book.
Both have no books. still their marks, their scores are different.
No, like same maybe.
No, like if you will enter in a school, you will pick 200 students at random. They
Mm.
have they have different scores, they have different marks. Like if you will enter in a school and you will make two groups of students, 100 students in each group. Okay, you will
Mm.
ask their marks one by one. So you will find the average of these 100 student, and again you will find the average of this 100 student. You will find
So they have different mark or something in
definitely they
year
have
one?
different marks. Like if you will enter in a school and there are 200 students, you have picked 200 students randomly, and you have
Random.
made two groups. One group 100 student, another group 100 student. You
Mm.
have asked from the first group of 100 students their marks. They will tell you some marks, right?
Yeah.
Like first hand, the student of first group of 100 students, they will tell you their marks one by one. Like first student, second student, they will give, like out of 100,
Yeah. Yeah, they
uh,
have to.
out of 100, first student will tell you he has got 60, second student will tell you he has got 70, he will tell you he has got 55. In this way you have collected 100
Mm.
numbers,
Yeah, 100 numbers
and you will
in the
find
other
the
group.
average. You will find their average.
Mm.
Say their average is 70. Okay,
Okay.
now you will go to that students group. They
Mm.
have also some marks. Okay,
Okay.
5, 75,
So,
45. In this way you will again find some average.
mm.
So there is already, you have some mark,
Different.
you have some averages, right?
Mm.
Okay.
So the mark is similar because they are random.
Maybe they are similar, maybe they are not similar,
Oh, okay.
because different students has different marks.
Mm.
So you
Okay.
have any differences in their marks. Okay.
Okay.
Now now we what we will compare, we will compare two things. First, um, before textbook
Mm.
and after textbook. This is the first difference.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So,
second thing is, okay. Now, mm, wait.
treatment
Treatment group,
and
difference in different, and control group. Okay.
control. Mm. Okay.
So there is some difference between treatment group and control group, and before textbook and after textbook, like before and after.
One of the group will the mark will increase, right?
Sorry.
And one of the group the mark will be increased, and the other group
Ha,
is
ha,
same.
But this is the conclusion. We want to understand the thing. So DID deals with first the difference between treatment group and control group, and the second difference is before textbook and after textbook. Now, treatment group received textbook, received book, and it not received book.
Mm. Oh yes, yes.
Now, Hmm. So how you will draw the its diagram? In this way, you have control group is always lower than this is the control group. Okay, and this is the treatment group.
Treatment group. This is the score diagram.
Huh. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Over time, like we will consider the score, their marks with time. We will not ignore the time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now,
Mm.
um, treatment group and the control group are difference.
Nice.
These are the difference. And second thing, they they follow the same trend. Okay, same trend means in this way they will always be parallel in nature. Okay,
Okay.
it proves they will follow the same trend.
Mm. Okay, understand.
Huh. So what is the first difference? First, there are two differences. So first we have to understood what is the first difference.
Before and after.
So x is time and it is y. It is control group and it is
Treatment
treatment
group.
group. Now we have surveyed, we have make a survey. So we found the difference. This is the difference. Now this difference between the treatment group and
And
control
control
group.
group.
Okay, y treat minus
Minus
y control.
Y control.
Okay,
Okay.
now this is the first difference. Now what is the second difference? So here we will draw second difference. This is control group, this
Treatment group.
treatment group. This is the first survey, first time when we have surveyed. And this time again we have done second survey. Now, when second survey we have done, we have found that the difference over time,
Mm.
this is the change in the treatment group,
And control group.
no, over time, means y
Oh,
post minus
minus
y pre.
Y pre in treatment group. What about control group?
Hmm. So,
Mm.
this is y post and this is y pre.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, so what we have found till here, first difference between two groups. And second difference is when treatment group has, in first year they have no books, and in the second
Mm.
year they have books. So they
Mm.
have made some differences. Definitely
Mm.
in year one, treatment group has no books,
Mm.
and in year two they have books. So within treatment group there are two difference. In year one and year two there are differences, right?
Yes, they are different. But
Because
in
huh, patience,
uh,
I'm telling you. In treatment
oh, okay, okay.
in year one
Just one.
and year
Yes.
two, they have books. Sorry, no books.
Mm.
They have books.
Mm.
So
So this the
this is
different.
control. So there is difference between these two groups and difference between this.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you are asking about its year one and year
And
two.
just the same.
They have no books this time
Mm.
also, but this time
No
also.
books.
But definitely, if you have no books in year one and you have no books in year two, your marks will be same. It is not like that. Like
Mm.
if you have 2 years your master course, okay. In first year also you have not bought any book. In year two you have also no book,
Mm.
so that your marks will be same in both the year. You don't
So will
have
be
books in
same.
year one and you
Mm.
don't have any book in year two. So you have same marks in both the year.
Mm. Okay.
I'm asking you,
The same.
do you have the same marks?
Same. Yeah, I think it's same.
No. If you have
No?
no, you don't have same marks.